Cool. Let's talk about your control surfaces. You got a couple of pro-level control surfaces. Now, I want to just talk about your control surfaces. One of the things I love about them is the joystick control to me is like the accuracy of flying a drone. It's a different level joystick. You can feel it when you touch it. You know, let's talk about that a little bit. We've got the RP60, the RP150. Why don't you tell me the difference between the two?
Yeah, so there's an RP60 and then an RP50 and then an RP150. The 150 has the most advanced technology. It's all about those little actuators in the handle. It does cost more than the other two, but it also comes with a lot of really cool features. Like it has a monitoring thing on it. It's a touch screen on it. And then when you get the 60, you basically get a really simple, easy to use kind of, it's going to be a controller. And then the 50 is somewhere in between. So it's not a touch screen. I'm sorry, it's not you can't do the like touch to focus stuff that you can with the RP150, but it does have a little monitor on it so you can see in the menu options and stuff like that. And they're all great controllers. I mean, I can't say enough about them. I can't tell you how many times people come back and just love those controllers.
Cool, Gregor. And I'm happy to report that through the magic of a lot of hard work and grunt work, we've got your stream working better. So you look better right now. So you're back on camera.
Great.
So I wanted to make sure people knew that. So
Right.
we talked about the SF100 auto tracking software. Now let's talk about, Adam, can we cut to the overhead for a second on this? This is the HLC 100. Now this is a PTZ controller, and it is a complete video mixer. You've got your zoom and your controllers for PTZ, but really, and this thing amazed me, it's basically a control surface with a TriCaster Mini built into it. Gregor, tell us about this puppy. It's a phenomenal value at $13,999.
Yeah, you nailed it. You can come in SDI, you can come in HDMI, and then you can bring in a whole bunch of NDI cameras. Like you said, you get all the kind of capabilities of a TriCaster Mini. In fact, we kind of collaborated with NewTek to build this device. No secret there. You can just tell by looking at it. It was just a really great approach to the market. Yeah, I mean, that's and then don't forget that you can also stream live to Facebook, Twitch, Church TV. Put in your own custom direction there and stream live to all those places at the same time.
And up to 8 NDI HX PTZ cameras. So it's really a phenomenal unit. We really had a lot of fun with it. We like playing with it over here. And like I said, you get all the goodness of Panasonic NDI HX technology with their controllers, and you also get that TriCaster feature set built into it. It's a tremendous little product over there.